Hello, my name is Fava. I am a periodontist from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, and I'm here at Your Dental Future in Padua, Italy. The course I'm taking today, or I've taken this week, is the intensive course with Professor Giovanni Zucchelli and Dr. Luca Stavola, which focused on both the soft and hard tissue regeneration around implants. In my opinion, these are two of the most important clinicians inside of implant dentistry, inside of periodontology, inside of hard and soft tissue augmentation. So I came with very high hopes about what I'd be learning, what would be discussed, and the level of the conversation. And I was extremely pleased with what we were able to take out of it, because our conversations were able to go deep. We were given answers to questions that we had from our own perspective, and we got to see really what the future thinking is for hard and soft tissue augmentation around implants to really generate what I believe is the highest level of outcomes, which is where we are integrating to the adjacent anatomy as is designed in nature. And while this is a very tall task, these two practitioners really come with a very organized and very thought through process to get you to understand some of the thinking that may push some of the thoughts that you may have had or dogmas you may have been holding on to, and then they have the clinical and scientific backup for it. I got first to meet Dr. Stavola on Osteocom and Instagram. It was actually really nice to be able to approach somebody at such a really high level. So we got to discuss cases, we got to discuss certain aspects of my cases, as well as some of the courses he's put forth on Osteocom, and he was engaging and kind and thoughtful and really quite energetic about trying to drive forward his passion, piggybacking onto my passion. So this is where I first got to meet him, and then once this course came out with him and Dr. Zucchelli, there was no question that I was going to be taking it. The reason why I would make the claim that these are two of the most important clinicians that we have inside of implant dentistry is because precisely the way that the course is taught is there is a very clear scientific underpinning that is absolutely expressed and explained clearly, but it is then shown directly in a clinical relevance, so that the practice that you go to on Monday, you can look at your very next patient and see in a way that maybe you weren't looking at prior.